The clock hands tremble out of time. Your shadow fades across the floor. I can't pretend we're us no more. The words we said just hang and die. I still can't stand to see you cry. One heartbeat left between our sides. That's the sound of a last goodbye. It's the sound of a last goodbye. It's the sound of a last good breath, the whisper of what's left. A candle burns its final flame, but nothing ever stays the same. No thunder, no cry, just a hush beneath the sky. If you listen close, you'll find it's the sound of a last goodbye. And the sound of a last goodbye. It's the sound of a last goodbye. The echo of what's left. A shadow walks where dreams have died, leaving silence by my side. No thunder, no cry, just the truth beneath the sky. As your footsteps fade with mine, that's the sound of a last goodbye.